try 4K 30. I just tried recording at 4K 60 and the camera shut off on me. So I have no idea how long this is gonna go for, but let's try this again. Hey, what up people, it's vdoestech. And so look, this is 24 hours with the Pixel 6. Not the Pro, just the 6. And first impressions, so I've had a lot of issues so far. Just like I said, one, the camera recorded at 4K 60, it shut off on me. It's really only 68 today right now. Right now I think the high, let's see, it says the high, or it says it's 65 degrees right now. So it's not even the hottest at this moment. And so it shot 4K 60 for about 3.5 minutes to 4 minutes, and then it shut off. Is everyone recording at 4K 60? No. And well, it looks like this is about to shut off. I just got another temperature message saying the device may be getting too hot. I really should be like screen recording or have another device recording what it's saying, but I'm driving, so can't multitask that much. And so we'll see how long it goes till it cuts off. You'll know when it cut off because that's when I'll be at the desk. But yeah, so I've been living that reckless life right now. I have no case for this. I think my case should show up on Saturday, but right now, have no case. This device is slippery. Now, I can't say that I'm happy that I didn't get the 6 Pro because obviously I put my pre-order in for the 6 Pro. I wanted that device. But because Best Buy had no clue on when they would actually get my order, I went to Target, picked up a Pixel 6. You could walk into Target right now, get one pretty easy, I guess, depending on where you're at. But my Target had plenty of Pixel 6s. I picked up the Stormy Black, even though it's more like a cloudy gray. But I like that name. Stormy Black sounds dope. But yeah, so this is 24 hours. Battery life. Obviously, it's still learning my battery, but I have put this phone through the works today. I took it off the charger at about 4 a.m. I was back on the charger around 1:30. Now, did I have to be on the charger? I didn't have to be. I was still on 15%. But this was going to be the first time during the day to fully charge it up, and I wanted to see how long it would take to charge. So I didn't want to completely kill it and drain it to 0 because I wasn't sure how long it would fully take to charge. So at about 1:15, 1:30, I put the phone on the charger at 15% using a 65-watt charge brick. It took till about 3:15 to fully charge, and it was fully charging at, I guess, 30 watts. I think that's how much the Pixel 6 can charge, how fast the Pixel 6 can charge. But yeah, the battery life, first day, taking the charger off at 4 a.m. and not having to go back onto the charger till about 1:15, 1:30, watching YouTube on my break, listening to Audible, listening to music throughout the day, randomly jumping on. Because like when you first get a new device, you're just randomly taking it out your pocket and just looking at it for no reason. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed for day one battery. Now, I am gonna have to get a second charger for work, but that's not the point. I don't even know why I said that. Yeah, so I have had some forced closure. It's just randomly been logging me out of apps like YouTube Studio, YouTube, and weirdly Amazon. Like, I can't go longer than like 2 minutes scrolling on Amazon before it logs me out. And it's specifically this issue for the Pixel 6 because I've checked it on like the Z Flip 3 and the Note 20 Ultra, and I haven't had any issue with Amazon. But when I look on Amazon on the Pixel 6, it logs me out after a while. Not sure why. Has it logged me out of anything else? I don't believe so. It's mostly been YouTube Studio, and Amazon. Not the biggest complaint. Just jump back on. You'll be fine. So not the biggest complaint there. One thing I am kind of annoyed with is the lack of customization. You can do very little to customize the Pixel phones. And now, yeah, I can go download a launcher, which I probably will end up doing. I really want the Pixel experience, so I want to go for like a month. I'm gonna say I'm gonna go a month straight Pixel, no launchers. I'm gonna see if I can do that. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be difficult because I like to customize the heck out of my devices. And this one, there is very little. But if you're gonna get a phone, why not stick with the UI for at least a little while? So I'm gonna say a month. I should probably be saying a week or two, but I'm going with the month. All right, and so now this is the front camera. So last time it made it 6 minutes and some change before it turned off. We'll see how long it takes to turn off this time. Now it's turning into a game. Now I just want to see how long it can record without turning off. But I'm not entirely sure where I left off. I think it was customization or somewhere along that. So let's just hope I finished what I was saying there. Cameras, so far, I've taken some pretty good pictures. I will say that the cameras have not disappointed. I do need some more time though, because I might get crucified for saying this. The Google Pixel 6 cameras, amazing. I don't know if I can say if they're better than the Z Flip 3 cameras. I can't say that yet. I've had a month with the Z Flip 3. I've had 24 hours with the Pixel 6. But if I had to pick right now, I feel way more comfortable pulling out the Z Flip 3 cameras right now. That's just my comfort level right now. I'm gonna need some more time to play with this camera, but right now, if I had to pick a camera, I'm going with the Z Flip 3. It is what it is. Video wise, this is really the first time I've been using the video. What I can see from the viewfinder, it looks amazing. I'm gonna have to get home, and once I edit this, I'll see what it all looks like. But the video, it looks really good. I'm just saying, I think the Z Flip 3 right now is all around better. And these people cannot drive. I think that's it. The display is absolutely beautiful. Even at full HD, I don't have the quad display at 120, but the full HD at 90 hertz looks really good. I have no complaints. I think I've covered a lot. What am I missing? What am I missing? As soon as I turn this camera off, or as soon as it decides to turn itself off, I'll be like, man, I should have mentioned this. But 24 hours, I'm liking this phone. Is it gonna replace my Z Flip 3 or my Note 20 Ultra? Right now, it's too early to say. I can definitely say I am enjoying this device right now. It is, I know people say it's a vanilla Android. I can't entirely disagree, but I'll dig into it some more, start playing with the settings, see what little things I can find. But right now, not bad. Not bad at all. Cases will be coming really soon. I think Saturday I'll get my first case, and that's when the case reviews will start coming in. But right now, not bad. Not bad at all. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.